Welcome to this video. My name is Rachel, and I'm excited to talk to you about the Medicinal Garden Kit. In the next few minutes, I'll share everything you need to know about this product, which is gaining popularity on the internet as an excellent way to kickstart your journey into growing your own medicinal plants. The Medicinal Garden Kit includes a variety of seeds and containers, accompanied by detailed instructions on how to care for your plants and utilize them in your treatments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this kit caters to all skill levels, providing a hassle-free way to cultivate your own medicine at home. Now, before you decide to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit, I strongly advise you to watch this brief video. I'll not only guide you through the contents and benefits, but also offer a word of caution. It's essential to understand whether the Medicinal Garden Kit truly lives up to its claims. I'm here to provide exclusive information that I believe everyone should be aware of before investing in this product. Pay close attention to what I have to say, especially if you're considering buying the kit. If you're already familiar with the product and are here to access the official website without the risk of landing on the wrong page, I've placed the link in the video description and comments. Growing medicinal herbs can transform your perspective on life when you discover their healing properties. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you not only receive top-quality seeds, but also benefit from years of experience compiled by Dr. Nicole in her free, detailed guide. Imagine waking up to wonderful, refreshed lungs every morning. That's the promise of the Medicinal Garden Kit. It's a fantastic way to embark on growing your own medicinal plants, enriching your life with the plant's nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. We stand by the Medicinal Garden Kit with a 365-day money-back guarantee. While we doubt you'll need to return it, if you're unsatisfied, you can request a refund and get your money back. Each packet of the Medicinal Garden Kit contains 10 packets of each seed type, along with a comprehensive guide explaining the growth process and the health benefits associated with each plant. However, it's important to note that Dr. Nicole has produced only 300 packets, and the next batch will take some time. Act now to secure your kit. For more information about the Medicinal Garden Kit, visit the official website. The link is provided in the video description. And here's a bonus. If you decide to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit, you'll also enjoy a significant discount. I genuinely hope this video has been informative for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. See you.